Basavaddi B.N. BCom College, Dharwad. My name is Anita. I am handling business statistics for BCom 3rd STEM students. Last class we have solved problems based on arithmetic progression as well as combined arithmetic mean. Okay, in this class another type of central tendency, that is median. What is median? The name itself says that middle value. Median, middle most value. Okay, what is median? Median of a set of values is the middle value when they are arranged in the ascending order of the values. Okay, for example 1, 4, 3, 2, 5. Okay, for example 1, 4, 3, 2, 5. How to calculate median? First we have to write the values in ascending order. Write down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Schoolally 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It is called median. The same way n plus 1 divided by 2. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Tooth value 6 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Okay. Third value 1, 2, 3. Therefore median is 3. Okay. I hope you understood the meaning of median. Median is nothing but middlemost value. Kannadali madhyanka ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Okay. Let us discuss what are the advantages of median. What are the advantages of median? Let us discuss the advantages of median. Okay. First one is it is very simple to understand and easy to calculate. Okay. For example 2, 4, 3, 5. Simple. Okay. 1 plus 2 plus ascending order 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy to calculate. How many numbers are there? 5. 5 plus 1 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Easy to calculate and easy to understand. Okay. Second one is median can easily graphically represent. Okay. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ median ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು easily graph ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು. For example ಈ ರೀತಿ. This is called median. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಗ್ರಾಫಲ್ಲಿ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್. ನಮಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಲಿಟಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ n plus 1 divided by 2 or big N plus 1 divided by 2 ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು we have to calculate. It is based on all the observation. Okay, ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ values ನ all ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ which one is first, next, next. Okay, last is big number. All observation based ಆಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೇವೆ. First one is it is very simple to understand and calculate. Second one is median can be easily represented in graphs. Third one is median can be calculated with little mathematical knowledge. Fourth one is, last one is, it is based on all the observation. One observation ನೀವು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ 30 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 30 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಒನ್ಸ್ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, which one is next, end ಯಾವುದು, ಮಿಡಲ್ ಯಾವುದು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರಲ್ಲಿ we have to write down all the values. Then by using formula we can find out the median. Okay, I hope you understood the advantages. Next one is disadvantages of median. Let's discuss the disadvantages of median. First point is it is not based on all the values. For example median is, last example median is 3. Okay, median is 3. It is not based on all the values. Only one values we have to consider while calculating the median, so that it is not suitable for all the values. All the values we have to consider only once when we are writing in ascending orders. Avagashtu ನಾವು consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. While calculating median, only one values is called as median. Okay. Second one is, it is not as suitable as arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean ಅಲ್ಲಿ all the values we have to consider. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by number of all is 5. So, okay, hanga ನಾವು consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. But median ಅಲ್ಲಿ only some values, only middle most values we have to consider. Okay. Third one is, in simple series having even number of items, median cannot be exactly found. For example, here it is 3. Take for example 1, 6, 4, 3, 5, 2. Okay. Write down these values in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How to calculate again? N plus 1 divided by 2, 6, 7 divided by 2, nothing but 3.5. In this case, exactly we are not finding exactly what is the median. Here median here, for example 3.5. Here, two values are there, 3 plus 4. Which one is median? Confused. Okay. When we are in median, even number, it is difficulty to calculate the median. Next one, unsuitable for fraction and percentage. For example, 5%, 10%, in 2 by 3, 5 by 6. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ it is very difficult to arrange these fractions and percentage in ascending orders. We could not find median. ನಮಗೆ median ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಪರ್ಸಂಟೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿ problems based on median. First we have to know the formula. Which formula are there? There are 3 formulas in median. First one is when raw data is given. Second one is discrete frequency, and the last one is continuous frequency. First one is raw data. Raw data are given. Okay, n plus 1 divided by 2. Median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 the value. Okay. Second one, discrete frequency distribution. Okay, formula is median is equal to big N plus 1 divided by 2 value. Okay, third one is continuous frequency. Distribution, that is median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into I or into H or C. Anyone you can write. Okay, L is nothing but lower class interval. Okay, L denote lower class limit. F is nothing but frequency. Then I is nothing but the middlemost value. Sorry, L is lower class limit. F is frequency. I is cumulative frequency of median class. For example, upper class ಮತ್ತೆ lower class ಎರಡದ್ದು ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. CF is cumulative frequency just less than n by 2. n by 2 ದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, CF ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, n by 2 ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ f ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, n by 2 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, there are 3 formulas in median. First one is when raw data is given n plus 1 divided by 2th value. When discrete frequency is given big N plus 1 divided by tooth value. Continuous frequency is given L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into I, H or C. Whichever is ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, L is lower class limit, N by 2 is nothing but F the total ಮಾಡಿ divide by 2 ಮಾಡಿ. Next cumulative frequencies just less than N by 2. N by 2 the cumulative frequency ಬಂದಿದೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. I is cumulative frequency of median class. ಅವೆರಡದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅದೆರಡು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಸಿ ಎಚ್ ಆರ್ ಐ. ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್. 1. Find out median. 10, 12, 9, 28 and the last one is 32. First we have to write down these values in ascending order, small to big. Okay, solution. First one is 9, 10, 12, then 28, last one is 32. Okay, median. When raw data is given, median is N plus 1 divided by tooth value. Okay, number of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, 6 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are third value. Therefore, median is equal to third value is 1, 2, 3, 12. 12 is a median. Okay, very simple. I hope you understood. Okay, next problem. Problem number 2. Problem number 2. Find out median for the following. Mean for the following. Okay, so problem number 2. 152, 145, 162, 135, 178 and the last one is 183. First we have to write down these values in ascending orders. First one is 135, 145, 152, 162, 178, 183. Okay, therefore median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 value. How much n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 1 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2. Nothing but 3.5 with value. Here it is very difficult to find out 3.5 value. Okay. Next one is median is equal to 3.5 is third value. Third value plus third next number fourth. Fourth value divided by 2. Third value is 1, 2, 3. 152 plus fourth value is 162 divided by 2. Okay, fourth value is 162 and the third value is 152. Add these two divided by 2. Okay, 4, 1, 3. 314 divided by 2. 314 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 fives are 2 sevens are 157 is called as median. Therefore, median is equal to 157. Okay, I hope you understood the problem how to calculate median when raw data is given. another problem based on median. Okay, when data is given. Problem number 3, find out median. Okay, 128, 125, 132, 166, 128, 158, 148, and the last one is 138. First we have to write down these values in ascending orders, small to big. First one is 125, comma 128, comma again 128. Okay, then 132, 138, 148, and the last one is 158. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one is 166. Okay, 8 values. How to calculate median? M is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2th value. Okay, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2th value. Okay, 2 ones are, 2 fours are 0.5. 4.5. 4.5 value. Okay, 4.5 very difficult to find out. 4.5 values. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. These two values. Okay, then median is 4th value plus 5th value divided by 2. 4th value plus 5th value divided by 2. 132 plus 138 divided by 2. How much? 8 plus 2, 10. Carry 3, 3, 6, 7. 270 divided by 2. Answer is 135. Median is 135. I hope you understood when raw data is given in even numbers and the odd numbers. Even numbers ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು odd numbers ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ n plus 1 divided by 2 ಮೀಡಿಯನ್. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ 4 ಎಷ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅದರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2.5 ಅಂದರೆ third value plus second value plus third value. 5.5 ಅಂದರೆ 5th value plus 6th value. one number ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ median. Okay, I hope you understood the problem. Another problem. Fourth one, calculate median. 8, 5, 2, 6, 15, 10, and the last one is 25. First, write down these values in ascending orders. 2, 5, 6, 8, 10, 15, and the last one is 25. Okay, 2, 5, 6, 8, 10, 15, and the last one is 25. Okay, median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 value. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1 divided by 2. 7 plus 1 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. 2 ones are, 2 fours are. 4th value. How much 4th value? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4th value. Median is equal to 8. How much? Median is equal to 8. Okay. I hope you understood the problem based on raw data. In next class, I will discuss with discrete data and continuous data. Okay. Thank you.